Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix PlayStation 5 game crashes. We'll start with the simplest solutions. First, always ensure your PS5 system software is fully updated to the latest version. Next, check for any available updates for the specific game that's crashing and install them. Finally, perform a complete restart of your PlayStation 5 console. These initial steps often resolve many common crashing issues, getting you back into your game quickly and smoothly. If updating and restarting don't work, rebuilding your console's database is the next crucial step. This process can fix corrupted data that often leads to game crashes. To do this, power off your PS5 completely. Then, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep, entering safe mode. From there, select option 5, Clear cache and rebuild database. Also, ensure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free storage for optimal performance. When crashes persist, the issue might be with the game's data itself. Your next step is to delete the problematic game entirely and then reinstall it. This ensures all game files are fresh and uncorrupted. If you're using a physical disk, gently clean it with a soft, lint-free cloth before reinstallation. Additionally, try moving the game between your console's internal storage and any external drive you might be using, as this can sometimes resolve storage-related conflicts. If you've tried all previous steps and your games are still crashing, it's time for more advanced troubleshooting. First, test other games to see if the problem is isolated to one title or affects your entire console. As a last resort, consider resetting your PlayStation 5 to its factory settings, but remember to back up all your important data beforehand. If the issue continues even after a factory reset, it's best to contact PlayStation support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.